In today's video, I'm going to share with you how to make the perfect oven grilled chicken that you're definitely going to love. It is juicy, it is tasty, not overly seasoned. Everything just works right with this particular chicken. In case you're not subscribed, click on the subscribe button. Now let's get started. These are the ingredients I'm using for our chicken. The full ingredient list and their quantities as usual is going to be in the description box, so please check it out. I'm using some salt, some paprika powder, onion powder, oregano, dried thyme. I'm also using some chicken seasoning, and these are the only things I'm using. I'm using chicken thigh. It has been properly cleaned and washed. First, in my bowl, I'm going to start by combining some ginger and garlic paste. This is store-bought, I did not make it myself. And then I'm just going to combine all our ingredients together. This is just so it's easier for us to work with. I'm just going to mix that for a bit. Then I am going to go in with some vegetable oil and chili oil. So I'm using 1 tablespoon vegetable oil and 1 tablespoon chili oil. This is because I want a little bit of heat in the chicken, but I also don't want it to be too much. And the chili oil I use is really good, and it gives me what I'm looking for without overly being hot. So I'm just going to mix that together, and then I'm going to set that aside. Now for my chicken, I'm just going to make some incisions. This is just so my seasoning and my spices and everything is penetrating to this chicken proper. Like, I just don't want it to be on the skin, I also want it to be inside the chicken. While we're here, you guys, in case you're not subscribed or in case it's the first time you're hearing my voice, hi everyone, my name is Daniel. I am a digital content creator and YouTuber based in Port Harcourt, Nigeria. I mostly share recipe videos like this. I also share a bit of my lifestyle in vlogs. If that sounds like your thing, you're already watching this video, which means you like premium content, so you can just click on the subscribe button and also click on the post notification bell to get notified whenever I post videos. I post videos every week, at least 2 videos every week. You're welcome to the family. Now I've added my mixed spices and seasoning to the chicken, and then I'm just going to give this a really good massage. You want to make sure that you are putting your hands everywhere. You want to make sure that you are also going underneath the skin of the chicken. This is just so the seasoning and the spices are not just on the chicken, they are also inside. You want to make sure that you're doing this because that's what's going to guarantee that your chicken comes out really tasty. Now I'm just going to cover this with cling film. Then I'm going to marinate for anywhere between 2 hours to overnight, depending on how much time you have. Or the longer it stays, the better for you. After about 2 hours, I think I did mine for about 2 hours, I'm just going to transfer that into a baking bowl like this, or a baking tray like this, and then I'm going to put that in the oven to grill at 400 degrees for 30 minutes. Now you want to make sure that your oven is properly heated, and you want to make sure that the heat is right. After about 30 minutes, I'm going to bring it out, and then I'm going to flip it over. This is because I'm using a tray, so you want to make sure that every side of your chicken is properly cooked and every side is properly coated. So I'm just going to transfer that again inside the oven for about 20 minutes. Then I am going to bring it out again. After about 20 minutes, I'm going to bring out the chicken, and now I'm transferring it to a baking rack. This is because I want my chicken to have that juicy, tasty looking chicken feel, if you guys know what I mean. I'm just rubbing a bit of the juice I got from the chicken on it, and then I'm going to take this back into the oven for 10 to 15 minutes at 300 degrees. Now this is what we call perfection. This thing is going to come out looking really juicy. Look at that, you guys. Now our perfect oven grilled chicken is ready, and you can share it to your loved ones or enjoy it yourself. Please don't forget to click the like button, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, and see you in my next video. Bye guys.